Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So guys, today we are going to be doing a reading on why is your person silent. Okay, so let's see if your person is not talking to you, if your person has ghosted you, blocked you. So what is the thing, what is the main reason why has he done that actually? Okay, so let's go on and let's see. So guys, let's see why is your person silent on you? Okay, and please guide us. Why is this person silent? Why is the person silent? Okay. A strong vibe that is getting me is like you walked away. You broke the cords with this person, you know. You started living in another place or something like that. You started enjoying your life without them, and this made them, you know, feel like, okay, nothing is going to work over here. I need to walk out, okay. The main reason they are not talking to you is like they keep on look. Now see, now this is weird, okay. There are two cards where they are looking back at you while moving away. So like they feel like you are the person who is practicing patience, who's practicing balance, who's, you know, living your life happily with your family. You are celebrating, you don't need them. Okay, that's why this person has gone silent on you. Oh, okay, let's see guys what more I can see, what more reasons. Okay, Page of Swords. I feel that this person doesn't know what to do, you know, regarding, he's a page, okay, he doesn't know what to say regarding the situation. So let's see what more, why is this person gone silent, what more. Okay, he's heartbroken or she is heartbroken and they are stuck. Okay, that, you know, this person has moved on, they have dropped the tower. You are the person who is, you know, broken the tower over here. You have broken the connection with them. You have moved on, you are celebrating your life, and you know you are happy in your life, and they have to move on from you, and this is, you know, giving them a lot of shock. They are trying to re-manifest this connection, you know, get you back. They are heartbroken, they are stuck, they don't know what to do. Okay, so this is the reason why they do have a lot of feelings for you. Okay, and they do want to, you know, the celebration with you. They do want a love connection, you know. They are feeling very lonely, but they are not approaching you because they feel that, you know, you have a good life now and you do not need them, and you know there's nothing they can do, okay, in your connection. So this is the reason why a person has gone silent on you. They have self-worth issues guys, and not making them feel needed has caused a lot of trouble over here. I can also see that you are having a good time without them. You are, you know, living your life peacefully, and this has caused a lot of fear in this person's life. Once they did try to approach you and you turned out quite cold. Okay, so this person doesn't know what to do now, and this person is not sure, like if he offered you or she offered you something, would you even take it, you know. So this is the reason why they are silent. Okay, now they don't know what to do. Let's see if the situation is going to improve guys. Let's see, and when. It's very important for me to do this kind of a question. When will this situation improve? Okay, let's move on and let's see, will the situation improve? Is there any scope, are there any chances that this situation improves? See guys, will this situation improve with your person? Will the situation yes, it will improve guys in the coming I think this person is not going to speak up right now, but this person is going to you know, speak up in the month of October. Okay, because they are very hurt right now and they do not know what to do. Okay, they do love you, they do want to be in a connection with you. Again, bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. They do want this with you. They are planning what to do, they are meditating. Okay, because they are scared right now. Like, you know, both the people, you see, you have sleepless nights, they are scared, you know, they don't know what to do. Both of you have turned to this situation because there's lots of toxicity in your connection. Okay, so this situation, yes, will improve, but you know, one has to be the childish, immature over here to, you know, forgive and, you know, be like a child. Okay, you know, the little child who every time, you know, it cries, you give him some chocolate or something like that, or if you show him some love, they will, you know, come back. So this is the scene over here. So this will take time, guys, but this person wants you back in their life. Okay, and I do see this person taking efforts to do that. Okay, they are planning. Okay, they are meditating. Okay, because they are all alone and they are scared, you know, of what they have done. When they are meditating, they are realizing how much they have hurt you and how badly they have spoiled this connection. They have ruined everything between you two, and it's all because of I know it all attitude, and you know, making wrong choices over here. And then the tower moments came and they were left alone, you know. So this is lots happening over here. So guys, I hope you like the reading. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 11, and also guys, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video in the future. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye.